Hey everyone, this is Imran from Secure Your Benefits. And today's video could easily be one of the most important updates you'll hear this month, especially if you rely on Social Security or Medicare in the United States. What's happening right now in October 2025 isn't just another bureaucratic adjustment or a few lines in a government report. It's a set of changes that could directly shape how much money you get, how you receive your healthcare, and even what happens to your benefits in the months ahead. So if you're a retiree on C.S.T., or just someone planning for retirement, stay tuned because the truth behind these new developments is something every American needs to understand before it's too late. Let's start with what's making headlines right now: the new Medicare premium updates for 2025. According to several reports and early statements from the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services (CMS), premiums for Medicare Part B are expected to increase again this year. That might sound like old news, but here's where it gets serious. The increase could wipe out a major portion of the 2025 Social Security COLA, the cost of living adjustment that millions of seniors have been waiting for. Many retirees are already saying that whatever small raise they get in January could vanish the moment Medicare deductions are applied. It's a frustrating cycle. You get a COLA to keep up with inflation, but then healthcare costs rise just enough to cancel it out. And this year, the tension is higher than ever because inflation may have cooled on paper, but in real life, groceries, prescriptions, and rent haven't gone down. Seniors are paying more for essentials, while the government insists inflation is under control for millions living on fixed incomes. That phrase means nothing when their Social Security check barely covers half of what it used to. The concern now is whether the government will step in with additional support or if Americans will once again be left to stretch every dollar themselves. Now, here's where things take a turn. The Medicare Trustees report released earlier this year quietly hinted that the Medicare Hospital Insurance Trust Fund could face insolvency sooner than expected. Some estimates put that as early as the early 2030s. That means if Congress doesn't act soon, benefits could be reduced automatically. Politicians on both sides are throwing around big ideas, from raising payroll taxes to changing how benefits are calculated for higher income earners. But so far, there's been a lot of talk and not enough action. And that's what's worrying experts. These aren't changes that can be fixed overnight. For retirees, this means one simple thing: plan early, stay informed, and understand your rights. Whether you're receiving Social Security, waiting for your first check, or already enrolled in Medicare, the decisions made in the next few months could affect your payments for years to come. That's why keeping up with verified updates, not rumors or viral Facebook posts, is crucial. I've seen a lot of misinformation online about benefit cuts or bonus checks coming in November, but most of that is false. Always cross-check any claim with official sources like SSA.gov or Medicare.gov before believing it or sharing it. Another key thing to understand this October is how the open enrollment period could impact your healthcare coverage. Starting mid-October, millions of Americans will have the option to switch their Medicare, Advantage or Part D drug plans. And with so many new private insurers entering the market, you might find better coverage or lower premiums, but only if you review your plan carefully. Many people stick with the same plan year after year, not realizing that benefits and out-of-pocket costs change. This year, that could be the difference between saving hundreds of dollars or paying hundreds more. Meanwhile, the Social Security Administration is also implementing a few behind-the-scenes digital updates. Direct deposit rules, verification systems, and online claim tracking tools are being upgraded, aiming to reduce errors and delays. However, anytime the SA rolls out new tech, there's always a period of confusion: people receiving duplicate letters, delayed deposits, or unexpected verification requests. If that happens, don't panic. Just contact your local office or check your My Social Security account online. And while all this is happening, a lot of people are asking, what's next? Will there be another round of stimulus or direct support for seniors? Right now, there's no official federal stimulus check confirmed for 2025. However, some states are offering targeted relief payments to low-income seniors or those struggling with healthcare costs. It's worth checking your state's Department of Human Services website to see if you qualify. The truth is, the cost of living is still rising faster than most benefits can keep up, and with the 2025 COLA expected to be smaller than last year's, every dollar matters more than ever. That's why being smart about your Medicare choices, budgeting for higher premiums, and avoiding misinformation online can make a real difference. One thing is clear. Both Social Security and Medicare are entering a critical stage, one where long-term funding decisions will shape not just your future, but the future of every retiree in America. Lawmakers may debate, economists may analyze, but for millions of everyday people, this is about real life. It's about whether you can afford your medication, pay your rent, and still have something left for yourself at the end of the month. So if you take one thing away from this video, let it be this. Don't wait for the government to fix everything. Stay proactive. Check your benefits regularly. Read official updates. And most importantly, make sure you're ready for the changes coming in January. If you found this update helpful and want to stay ahead of every Social Security and Medicare change before it affects your wallet, make sure to subscribe to secure your benefits and turn on all notifications. That way, you'll never miss an update that could impact your payments or your healthcare. Thanks for watching. I'm Imran, and I'll be back soon with more important updates to help you protect what you've earned. Stay informed, stay secure, and take care of yourself and your loved ones.
Hello everyone, I am Imran from Your Benefits. This video shares real October 2025 about Social Security and Medicare. Visuals, simple and clear, show seniors, payments, and healthcare scenes. Stay positive, avoid numbers or politics, and focus on helping people understand their benefits better. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Secure Your Benefits, and don't forget to press bell icon. See you in the next video. Take care.